What's up, muscle car people? This is Bring Up Muscle Cars and I'm Jared. Right now we're going to install a fire extinguisher in the car. That is a mandatory requirement for one lap of America. This is a 2-pound type A, B, and C fire extinguisher. It is a dry chemical one. And we are going to install it, hopefully, you can see with the light there, somewhere down there in the footwell. The plan is going to be to mount it. It's that panel about there. So that way when you're in the driver's seat, it's easily accessible and should keep us legal for one lap of America. Problem is there is carpet wrapped around the whole transmission tunnel. I believe it's just the bracket for the rear air ducts. Might just tap into those in a real shallow screw. So that way we don't even have to drill in the metal. It's just plastic. It's not even a big deal. It's already kind of broken as it is just from, you know, wear and tear over the years.
Did you get it?
Just to make sure I'm in the right.
I would straighten it a little bit. The bracket or the panel? The bracket. Yeah, that's the net.
Might be limited. Alright, that's how you install a fire extinguisher. It's mounted there. It's good enough. It's not going anywhere. The panel's seen better days, but it's a race car. That's what happens. The interior is not the important part. But that's our fire extinguisher for one lap of America. So, as always, hit that notification bell. Smash it if you have to. Hit that like button. Subscribe, share. Thank you to our sponsors, White Line Performance, the channel Bring It Muscle Cars, Sally Slow Sticker and things.
There's no oil anywhere.
And if you got a fast car, you better bring it.